Alright, so boom. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today, I know I haven't dropped content in like what, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it is. I don't even know. It's because I'm now in Korea, so there isn't going to be any more car content. So with that, so I could keep doing my content and working on stuff like that, I bought the Moza R5 bundle with the pedals and all the good stuff. I bought it because I won't be able to make car content for a while, not for another like 7 months or so. So I bought it. I'm gonna be streaming. I need you guys' input if I should stream on YouTube also. I'm gonna put my Twitch in the bio and down below somewhere. You guys will be able to find it. I'm gonna put my Twitch on there because I'm gonna be streaming mostly on Twitch. I bought a PC. Whoa. Yeah, so I bought a PC. I ordered a Moza wheel setup, and I'm gonna be streaming on that. If you guys want me to make smaller videos and upload it on here also, I could do that. Yeah, I just want to be able to keep making content and just keep pushing until I'm able to get my car back. I do have plans on getting another car. If you follow my Instagram, you know what car I've been talking about for forever. But yeah, I want to do that, and then yeah, we're gonna move from there. I'm gonna make the content on there. If I do get a chance to make any car content while I'm here, I will. There's not really a big car scene here from what I've seen, but if I see any stuff that I can make content on, I definitely will. Definitely we're gonna get some snowboarding vlogs, and I'm gonna probably do some more vlogs. So yes, I'll be making snowboard content, vlogging, just doing stuff for the people, my people out here, and yeah. Let's just get to the unboxing. I'm talking too much. It's been a minute since I've been on cam. I'm talking too much. You know what I mean? This is the brake light. This is for the brakes, since the regular brake is like spongy from what everybody says. These are pieces for it. This camera focusing. There's pieces for it, but this goes into the brake. I don't got no shoes on. I don't want y'all seeing my feet, man. No free feet out here. No free feet. I get my knife out. Oh, man. Big content. It's been a minute, man. How y'all been? How y'all doing? How's life, man? Hit the comment section. Let me know how life has been. Let me know how you guys are doing down there, man. Life is good for me. And Thanksgiving just passed, so sucks not being at home, but it's good. Life is good. Life is always good. Things could always be worse. This is the mount for the shifter. I did not buy the handbrake right now since I'm just starting, so I don't see the need for it quite yet. Boom, dash that, fam, dash that. And then I already opened the box for this. This is the clutch pedal. I don't understand why it comes in such a big box. Is this the clutch pedal? It comes in a big ass box like this. Yeah, and I've been trying to play Assetto Corsa, play the Hezi maps, but I don't know if it's because of my computer or what it is, but it has not been loading for me, so I have not been able to get into the servers lately. Yep, clutch pedal. You guys are watching this. I'll show you guys how I assemble it. I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing, so you guys are gonna figure it out with me. Comes with little screws and things. Clutch pedal. Put it on the floor. Let's see how that feels. Damn, that feels crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. I do want to get a little seat rig, whatever they call them, so that way I could invert the pedals. And now, time for the main event. The wheel and the pedals, I hope. This box is fucking heavy as shit. Had to walk all the way here, like maybe half a mile, half a mile, carrying this shit. This is heavy, dude. Shit heavy. No car. Go to the post office and I gotta carry this shit all the way here. Ooh, this box looks, man, oh my god, it's so heavy. Let me show y'all. This is what it look like. It look like this. Yeah, it look good. Now I gotta take it out the damn box. Oh shit. This shit heavy as fuck, guys. What the fuck? Yup, this is it. Moza R5. I've been watching a bunch of YouTubers, streamers, stuff use it. Mostly Goosiest. He's the one who kind of influenced my decision to get in this. No, I don't know him personally. I've just been watching his videos and watching him use it. And this is one of the wheels he recommends. This and the Thruster T300 wheel. Woo. Shit, man. It's a pretty small wheel. I am gonna get the 19, but for now I'm just rocking with this. I'll get the 19 when I get a goddamn 47. Get this wheel. My setup right now is a janky, so pardon me for not moving the camera much. But yep, this is it. Moza R5. This shit's nice. I'm not gonna lie. This metal shit. Shit hard. Shit hard. Gotta make sure I keep everything in the general vicinity. Cable. Oh shit. You guys know what I forgot to buy? I forgot to buy another extension cord. I do not have enough space to plug all this stuff in. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not having anywhere to plug all this shit in. Bing, back, boom, bop, boom, bop, bam. Type of shit that you won't understand. This is the table clamp for the wheel. Bow. I'm gonna put that on the side, keep it packaged up, you know. Here's the brains of it all. The motor itself. This shit is heavy. Oh God. This shit heavy as hell. Good little, what, 15, 20 pounds? I ain't gonna lie, this shit kinda heavy, I ain't gonna hold you. This shit kinda crazy. Got that. Now we need the pedals and the rest of the cables. Some cables in here. Dash it to the side factor. Some more cables and bits and pieces. Dash it to the side. And the pedals. Yes. The good thing about these is you could just unscrew it and then you can move it side to side, whatever you need, wherever it's better for you. But since we're adding the third pedal, it might be a little snug, but we'll see. We'll see how it rocks. We'll see how it rocks. Let's get this shit out of here. Oh my God, this is brake. Not bad. I don't feel too bad. People complain about it. Doesn't feel too bad. Not gonna lie. We'll see. We're gonna add the spring into it. Give it a little more. God damn. This should be the throttle. Does it feel like a throttle? I don't know. It's just spring loaded, so we'll see. I do not have any tools, so I don't know how to. I'm doing this, but we're gonna figure it out. I hope it came with a tool somewhere. Yikes. Alright, it's set up. At least the wheel is. I just realized while assembling that I gotta mount, but my shifter has not come in yet. I'm gonna boot up. I gotta boot up the setup app and then we'll go from there. But this is my little setup. Grab the wheel, put that on. Alright, I got it on. Still need the software stuff for it and then set up. So I'm missing the shifter right here. Still got the wheel. Moza, come on. I'm on CarX right now. Still adjusting to getting used to driving with pedals and a wheel. I got some other clips of me playing Settle I'm gonna insert. But other than that, y'all, appreciate you guys for still rocking with me. Thank you guys for still watching. Hopefully there's gonna be more uploads, more. I'm gonna stream for sure, and then yeah, we just gonna keep trying to elevate more vlogs. Snowboarding vlog coming soon at some point, and then out in town vlog. I might do a nighttime vlog, but that's not really what this is about. But you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share with your friends, share with your family. Appreciate you guys. Catch you in the next one.